Good morning. It is January 23rd and it is the first day of class. Wanted to welcome you all to class today. Hopefully, you're seeing this in the announcement I'm posting momentarily. Just want to welcome you all. Just want to remind you all to remember the deadlines for each module and also tell you how important it is to complete the discussion questions. That is the best way to earn the most points, and then you'll never, well, hopefully, you shouldn't have to worry about your grade, as long as you complete all the discussions and the rest of the work is needed. But I know sometimes we forget to do a reply here or there, but remind yourself, set reminders. That's the easiest way to earn points. Please contact me with any questions you have. Looking forward to a great subterm. Uh, Please feel free to reach out to me anytime.